Hey y'all, so your girl decided to stop by the hair store and pick up a wig. My birthday is coming up and I wanted to get something really cute. I opted for the Sensational HD Lace 360 Butta Lace Wig. I did try this on in the store in a lighter color and I thought it was so cute. This is like a butterscotch brown. I would call it like a mix between 1B30. It was packaged so nicely. Yes, this is synthetic, y'all, but it's definitely giving high end. Okay, they had the little papers inside to keep the barrel curls. Y'all can see the hair. It looks so good. The lace was definitely giving scalp, and it has some baby hairs as well. Now I'm not a baby hair girl, but I do know the girls like that. But yes, y'all, this is a really nice unit. It was $44, and that's a pretty typical price for this style wig. I thought that was a good price point. I unpackaged it. It does have a band inside as well as clips. I got my little cap here. This is one of those like HD lace caps that I got. It really helps to give that scalp look. Now, I'm not gluing this on my head, y'all. This is a glueless unit. Y'all know I can't glue nothing on my head. No, ma'am. But if I wanted to, I could. But I do opt for glueless. As you can see here, y'all, it's already giving what it needs to. Like, this is a good buy. I was like, yes, ma'am, hair store. For all my alopecia girlies out there like myself, when you are buying wigs from the hair store, just be sure to try it on in store and make sure that you go for the good brands like Sensational, Outre, Bobby Boss. Those are some really good trusted brands. And y'all, this is me cutting the lace. Now, baby, I ain't never cut a lace a day in my life. I see y'all do this all day on the Instagram and the YouTube, but I've never done it. So I was just a little bit nervous, but I think I got it pretty good. I just cut straight up the middle and then I cut around the sides. I was trying to make sure that I did preserve some of the baby hair in case I want to use those. But I think I did a pretty good job. Y'all, when I tell you I ain't even tint this lace, and I was looking up videos like how do girls be tinting the lace. I never did this. But I did not even have to tint it, y'all. And I know like some people use concealer, powder, all the things. I did not do that. And this still gave scalp. Like this gave what it needed to. I definitely will be buying another one of these. And I will probably get it in a bob as well. But y'all look at this. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what are y'all thinking. Y'all see that scalp part? And I want to say, okay, yeah, this is a 360 lace, so I can put it in a ponytail if I wanted to. But I wanted to give Farrah Fawcett / Beyonce. And this is the outfit that I put on with it. Yes, ma'am, girl. Girl, you getting a man in 2024. You better go ahead. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what are you thinking of this unit? All my alopecia girlies, I am definitely recommending this unit, but I want to know, what do you think about it?
I would like to get